Can you describe your experience using BioGuard?
Yeah, it's really easy to use. Just put it in at night time. Wires, no pipes, nothing to worry about that regard. And I sleep all night perfectly well. But I don't snore as much. I think sometimes I still snore a little bit if I'm really tired, but generally not. And it's really easy to use. And in the morning, you just give it a quick clean, or you put it into solution, and then take it out, let it dry, and then you put it back in at night. So it's very easy. Even now, if I fall asleep without my mouthpiece in, I wake up within minutes. So once it's in, I can sleep for it. I don't wake up. So I do recommend to other people because it's so easy to use.